All right, so now let's talk about some new products. You mentioned earlier a new product that you've come out with called the Presto. So tell us a little bit about Presto. I do have one of your little mini display pieces. Obviously, this is more for a Barbie doll
Yeah, I
or a
love
Ken
those.
doll.
Yeah.
But tell us about Presto and what makes this unit so unique and special.
When I was surveying the marketplace, I recognized that the large volume of people were purchasing fitted protectors for beds. And the reason for that was it was really simple for people to understand how a fitted protector worked. We had made huge inroads in our CleanRest Pro product, and it became the foundational gold standard for encasements. But I still had a little FOMO about every fitted protector that was being sold because I still believe deeply in the benefits, the long-term benefit of having a fully encased mattress versus just a fitted protector mattress. And so, I started to challenge the company to think about, well, how can we get both products in one? How can we have the ease of a fitted protector? Everybody knows how simple that is to put on versus an encasement. Encasement requires typically two people. You have to stand the mattress up, to wiggle it on. It can be intimidating, it can be dangerous, it can be expensive, all the labor.
Mhm.
So for me to do that, I had to take one of our key patented devices, which is our zip and click closure. And if you just take the Pro product for a second, James, no, that's the
Yep.
Presto. So just take the Pro. So see the zip and click on the side there? Okay, so go ahead and click it open. Just lift, yep, that right there. Okay, so that's like a jaw. It's like an animal jaw, and it eats the zipper. So you can actually pull the zipper out now, James. Go ahead and open it, and just unzip it. Okay, boom, and that's how you'd open up the casement, and then you'd fit it over the mattress, and then you'd zip it close again. And when you zip it close, that clear cover we call zip and click, and push it all the way in, yep, and then put it on the peg. Good, and then close it. Go ahead and click it shut. There you go.
There.
Yep. Go ahead and click that shut. Okay, great. Now if you see through the window, you see the green tab on the peg, you can see it's installed properly. And that made it really simple for the entire world to understand how to properly prevent bed bug infestation and invest in a product that was easy to install and easy to inspect that it had been properly installed by anybody. And so I used to be at trade shows and I'd say to people, hey, you thinking about encase? Yeah, I want to do that. I want to step up. I want to encase. Great. Well, all other things being equal, wouldn't you like one that's the easiest to make sure it's installed properly? Because the rest of the competition, they use hooks and Velcro and foam, and you really can't see what's happening with the zipper. This is very clear what's going on there. It's either in or out. And so
Yeah.
that was a
Yep.
massive accelerant for CleanBrands, and that's a patented invention that's patented globally. In order to make that two pieces, now I needed to make a removable top. I needed to be able to break that apart like a jigsaw puzzle and put it back together again and still get the clear cover and still get the green tab and all those things. So Presto is actually, it's kind of a little bit of an engineering marvel. That has the QR code that you can scan and get a step-by-step instruction video, which is
Yeah.
awesome. So as the
Yep.
first housekeeper is trying to learn how to use it, they scan that. It brings them to a step-by-step instruction video. But you can go ahead and pop that one open. It's at,
Before I do
yeah,
that, I've also noticed that you have a little section here with a hole. That way you could put either like what would that be for? Like a
you
little
can
mini
use wire
padlock or
ties or date tags and things like that to know when it's been installed. Or if you want to, for anybody messing around with it, you can wire tie it shut.
all right, so opening it up
Yep, and
just
now if you
flips
look in
open.
there, now it's a bit wider, but that's actually a top and a bottom piece that come together. And from there you can slide that across. And then there's another piece. If you haven't done this, this may be a little awkward for you at first. Yep.
Yeah.
Then
So
there's a hinge.
yep, there's a little hinge right
Yep.
here that you would fold
Boom.
up or flip up. It unhooks
And
and
then you've got a zipper, just like a jacket.
you got two
Yep.
pieces.
And so now that bottom piece, which I kind of call the canoe, just sits under the mattress at all time. And that just stays there. And then the top piece, that's out for laundering now. So you
Oh wait,
throw that in the
I'm
wash.
sorry.
That's the canoe. Yep.
This is the bottom piece. I was holding up the wrong
That's
one.
okay. And then
And
that
then this
top
is
piece,
the top.
that goes out to laundering. And we also sell those separately. So when you talk about the cart or the housekeeping cart, And let's just say, hey, I'm a housekeeper, I'm doing my routine, and I just see that there was an incident or an accident or some sort of contamination. I can zip one off, send it to laundering, grab one from the linen closet or my cart, and go ahead and put a fresh one on. So in doing so, we've really done a bunch of really interesting stuff. One, we've got the convenience and ease of install of a fitted protector with all the benefits of having a full encasement. There you go.
Yeah,
You're
it,
back to
it
business.
definitely makes it a lot easier to do because you're leaving that bottom piece on the mattress.
Stays
You
there.
don't need two people, so you're helping to increase productivity, because it's taking that normally two-person job down to just one person,
Correct.
a lot quicker and easier to do. And I just zipped it back up. I put the zipper in the little
Look at you.
tab there
You're now a qualified sales associate.
and close it on up. Put your zip tie, like you said, through with the date tag, and you're good to go.
Terrific. So, that's the product that we're most excited about. It's available, through Granger. It's for us the biggest payback product that we can brag about because you get the bed bug savings, you get the labor reduction savings, you get the labor safety savings, you get the mattress spoilage protection. You get it a kind of all in one product for incrementally not much more than a standard zippered encasement. So that's the one we're promoting as hard as we can right now because we think it's the best for your customer, best for the Granger audience members.
Don't forget to scan the QR code down below. That QR code has multiple links within it. There's a link that will take you to Granger.com and every CleanBrands product that's available. It'll also take you to their website, their YouTube channel, the ROI calculator as far as how quickly these products can return on investment with the customer. So lots of great information available down below in the QR code. Make sure you scan that right now to check it all out.